Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. Thanks for watching, first of all. Second of all, if you could please like and subscribe my channel, that would be lovely. I want to tell you something that I do in my kitchen other than cook. I love to cook, first of all. I spend a lot of time in my kitchen. I create recipes, I experiment with recipes that someone else has created, but I also enjoy reading in my kitchen. And this is a book that I just finished reading last night. It's called Jubilee. It takes you on a journey of Viry Brown, who was a slave, and she had two loves in her life. She had 3 children. And it's a fascinating journey and also a fascinating look at the life of a slave from the perspective of a slave. And how, despite all of that trauma and all that heartache, in the end, she could still love. But I'd also like to share with you a cookbook. It's also called Jubilee. This one's by Toni Tipton Martin. Fascinating, wonderful recipes. Some of the food stuffs that's talked about in the fiction piece, you can find here in this cookbook. There's greens, sweet potato pie, and many other recipes. But I just want you to know, if you spend a lot of time in your kitchen, you don't have to just read cookbooks. It's a nice warm place to sit and read a piece of fiction.